Good morning, everyone. I hope all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I want to share about stop thinking. Do this instead. Do you even lie in bed at night and think about the same problem again and again? Do you reply conversations in your mind and image different endings? If yes, are not work, you are just overthinking. Overthinking feels like you are solving a problem, but but in reality, you are only creating more stress. And the more you think, the more confused steals your peace, your confidence, and even your happiness. But here is the truth: you don't need to control every thought. You just need a simple method to guide your mind in the right direction. In this video, I will show you what do you instead of overthinking, so you can feel so you can feel calm, clean, and in control again. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please don't forget like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.